Okay, Stevie J, Mimi, and Jocelyn. Jocelyn is crazy. She like straight up telling this dude, all I want you for is what I get from you, cash and your dingaling. Trashy. But she real. Can I say? She real about it. That's all she want. It looked like she want a little more because somebody say, do you think y'all saw me? I don't know Stevie great. So she loves Stevie. But I kind of was questioning for a minute, but she loves Stevie. Um, Mimi, I would have never, even if I felt like I might let him back in my life, I'd have never admitted to him that I might let him back in my life. I would have never admitted it. I'd have let him think and question if I would have let him back in my life so long. Stevie J in the right faces. I don't know. He comfortable with what he do. He ain't ashamed of what he doing. He don't really have any remorse for what he doing or who he hurting. So there ain't really much to say about them. They in a triangle that I don't see stopping no time soon.